Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert, delete, move, rename, and copy worksheets and Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Sheets you are using or the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date. And this is for that we can avoid any unexpected errors that we may encounter along the way if we do this. Now let us get started. If you're interested in watching other Google Sheets tutorials such as how to build basic formulas, how to autofill and all that such, please be sure to check out the dedicated playlist on our YouTube channel compiling all the Google Sheets tutorial, and we also have a compilation of Google Docs tutorial. Now, to insert a worksheet on our Google Sheets, as you can see, I have here a Google Sheets file. We can locate our worksheets on the bottom portion of our screen, which is right over here, this panel. As you can see, I only have one worksheet, which is named Sheet 1. Now let us start this tutorial by inserting or adding another worksheet. And in order for us to do that, all we have to do is to head over to the left portion of the bottom panel of our screen, in which we can see a plus icon. And as you can see, as I hover my mouse here, it says add sheet. Just click on this one time, and as you can see, it will add another sheet with an increment of 1 to the corresponding numerical value of whatever sheet it is. Now, in order for us to delete this sheet, let's say for example, I changed my mind, I would like to delete this sheet. All I have to do is to right click on this sheet, and as you can see, on the very top portion, we have the delete option. All we have to do now is to click this once, and as you can see, it has a confirmation message that you would like to delete this sheet because we cannot retrieve it back once we deleted it. Now, if you're sure that you would like to delete this worksheet, all you have to do is to press OK. And as you can see, we have now deleted our sheet and we can insert another one. Now, to move the sheets, depending on how you would like to organize your sheets, let's say for example, you have multiple sheets and I want it to be on different orders, all I have to do is to click on the sheet that I would like to move, then drag it, click and drag to wherever I want it to be moved. Let's say for example, I want the sheet 3 to be on the first one. All I have to do is to click on the sheet 3 and then drag it towards the first worksheet place right over there. You can do it with the other sheets remaining, like so. And now to copy a worksheet, you can either copy your worksheet to another Google Sheets file, or you can just copy it to your existing file. All you have to do is to hover to the worksheet that you would like to copy and then right click on it, and as you can see right here, we have the copy to option. Just click on this one or hover your mouse on this one, and it will drop down 2 options, which is new spreadsheet and existing spreadsheet. If you want to create a new tab in a new spreadsheet file, you have to click on this one, but in my case, I would like to paste that on an existing worksheet or spreadsheet. Click on this one and it will redirect you to the Google Drive of the email that is currently signed into your Google Sheets software. In my case, I would like to copy this worksheet on our existing file, which is named untitled spreadsheet. Click on it once, and as you can see in the bottom portion, it will indicate how many we selected and an insert button. Once you are sure that you would like to paste it on this or on whatever spreadsheet file that you have selected, just click insert once and wait for it to copy successfully and click on OK. And as you can see on the bottom portion of our screen, we have a copy of sheet 3, which should contain the same contents that is currently on sheet 3 if ever there are contents. And as simple as that, we can copy our worksheet. And lastly, if we would like to rename our worksheet, it's actually quite simple. All we have to do is to click on the worksheet that we would like to rename, right click on it, and then press rename, which is the 4th option from the top. Click it once and it will give you this highlight, and you can rename it to whatever you want, like so. Then click enter once you're done and you have successfully renamed your worksheet. As simple as that, we can insert, delete, move, rename, and even copy our worksheets in Google Sheets. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.